Alright guys, we are back, day 2, starting off with the rover. Yesterday was kind of a weird day. We fished all day long, lost 3 or 4. Fish! Oh!
That was a fish?
Right there at the wall, man.
I watched it go like that. Like I watched your line do like this, and then I seen it pop out.
Oh, you just bit the tail, man. Look at this.
Oh my god.
Right.
Oh! Look at his lure, dog.
He just literally hit the freaking tail. Look at that. Brand new lure, too.
That's brutal. So finicky, eh? Just nailed it.
Fish. Oh, he choked it. Oh, no. How?
You said it choked it.
It had it all the way down its mouth. And then he just opened and it came out.
Sabile?
No, the rover again.
I saw that
You,
lure in his mouth.
how did that come out?
Literally going. It's a perfect timing, eh?
The lure was gone. Like,
No way.
he saw it. It was all the way.
It snapped you off because I couldn't see your lure for a nice one.
It was nice.
Yeah, it was probably 45.
Yeah.
Fuck. Had a big fucking head.
How?
Out on that angle? Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Oh, he choked it. Oh, no. And then I stopped using the camera in the night because it was too dark to film. I ended up catching one finally. And then Will caught one, and he also caught a walleye, 27-inch walleye again on the rover. So hopefully today's a better day. But let's get to it. They have one on the sucker? Or is he just checking it? Oh!
Yes. Light as bite. Where is it?
Here. Oh, what?
What? What the heck? Dude, that's a big one, brother.
Latest fight ever!
A little skinny, but...
That thing's gotta be at least 42.
What's the brand though? Have you snap on Milwaukee?
It's missing on the other end though.
I know. Yeah, it's not even...
That's too funny.
Start popping up a 10 here.
I know.
A lot of heat in the ice high.
Yeah. The little clam flip over.
Okay. I lived downtown.
I'm coming. Yeah. Just keep him out there for a second. I gotta get down there without dying. This is a death trap, but whoa! Got him.
Yeah, how
coming down, or what are you doing? You want me to bring it up to you?
You want me to go down there?
It might be easier.
You got pliers in your bag?
Yeah. Front pocket.
Should be able to pop out, eh?
Yeah, this one looks pretty. It's right in the corner. Like a little wolf pack of small muskies around today.
Yeah, dude. I just want the freight train.
Yeah, that's what I just did. I was like, how am I gonna do this? You want, here, I can bring it over to you if you want. You want a picture? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got the bag, yeah.
Good?
You gonna grab it here for me?
Yep.
Oh, it's a bag. Doesn't look like anything good. No. Put it right beside the camera, make it look bigger.
That was actually pretty good.
Was it?
There we go. Good. All right. Eat.
Beauty. Fuck yeah.
There you go, Jackson.
Another one on the ball.
Now here comes the fun part, getting back up. Oh. Keep them out there. I gotta get. That's a better one finally. Okay, now I gotta figure out how to get down here. Oh, you're supposed to leave them out there. How am I supposed to scoop them?
There we go. Beautiful. No stop. I'll bring the tires down. Sorry.
There we go. Will just got all hooked up here. Beauty.
Good?
Good.
There we go, guys.
Finally.
Yeah, now it's
There we
Jordan's
go.
turn. Can you just move the net one sec? Oh, don't kill yourself. Keep going, keep going. There we go. That was the hardest. Slime glove. High five,
You're on
guys.
your own.
High five. Yeah. Woo.
Ugh.
Need help getting back up or you're good?
I'm good.
You can kind of knock some off.
Yeah.
Oh, I destroyed these gloves again.
Ugh. No problem. Musky right here. Oh, he just T-boned a shad, man. That was sick. He ate a shad right in front of me. He T-boned it. It was sick. That was cool. I don't know if the GoPro picked it up, but that was sick. Literally saw some shad jumping, and then all of a sudden this muskie came up and crushed it.
Yeah. At first I saw the commotion too, and you saw it right as soon as you saw it. I was looking over here too.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh no way! See the full musky too.
Oh, I know. I saw him with the shad in his mouth sideways. That was cool. That's pretty much it. I'm leaving. Giving up. Sayonara.